For years, there were no set standards for trades within the construction industry. Workers who were proficient in their area and had gained invaluable experience had nothing to show for it. The awareness of health and safety practices were lax, to say the least. The Building Industry Consultative Council, BICC, introduced a scheme that aimed to change all that, the Construction Industry Skill Card. Since education is a crucial tenet to enable the success of the whole process, the Council even formed a Further and Higher Institute accredited by the Malta Further and Higher Education Authority, MFHEA. Through a rigorous process, the Institute and the Advisory Board, the Sector Skills Council and experts in the field started tackling one trade at a time, identifying, codifying and establishing a set of standards that rewarded expertise in any given field. These standards then became the base, the cornerstone upon which a number of courses were organised, both internally at the BICC and with third parties. The courses aim to set a defined path, a clear curriculum to gain expertise and practice in a particular area. Upon completing the course, the students can then sit for an assessment to test their skills, knowledge and competencies in order to acquire the certification and the skill card. The formal path is not the only way, though. The BICC recognises the knowledge and expertise gained in the field without formal training. Workers who have worked in the industry for years and garnered invaluable knowledge can get the certification as well through what is known as VINFL. The latter stands for Validation of Informal and Non-Formal Learning, where in a few words candidates can document their experiences and get a formal assessment for certification. The Education and Training Working Group within BICC, together with both the BICC's Council and the Sector Skills Council, are working tirelessly to establish the national occupational standards and has finalised several of them in a vast spectrum of different areas, ranging from tile laying to lift installation to demolition and excavation. As an example, demolition has 4 units consisting of health and safety requirements in the workplace to ensure the personnel do not cause health and safety risks to others, the removing and separation of materials in accordance with demolition work requirements and procedures, the operation of portable powered plant and equipment in the workplace, and the demolition and dismantling of existing structures, including bricks, masonry, concrete, together with the organisational procedures entailed. A national occupational standard describes the knowledge, skills and competencies on the job. Both BICC and the Malta Further and Higher Education Authority keep a database of the established standards that are pegged to the Malta Qualifications Framework, thus giving a clear and defined metric which is widely recognised in all industries. Besides working to set standards and coordinating with third parties for the accreditation and delivery of these courses, BICC's Further and Higher Institute offers a series of courses in-house. The most important on various levels is the Award in Health and Safety Awareness. It is part of the skill card training with courses carried out every week throughout the year, with over 600 students taking the course. Another course is that in dry stone wall restoration. It makes sure that the long-held and beautiful tradition of building rubble walls in Malta is kept alive. A number of students have recently completed this course and have immediately put to work their newly learned skills. BICC offers other courses like the maintenance of old houses, the Occupational Health and Safety course for professionals, and the Continuing Professional Development CPD course on the Euro codes, familiarising professionals with codes used throughout the European Union for harmonised design standards. The Council will now start offering a new CPD course, one which is very much in line with current global themes. The course teaches concepts for the decarbonisation of the building industry. This milestone course will greatly encourage the construction industry to build sustainably and give the right skill set for building sustainable buildings with the highest environmental standards. The course is aimed at professionals with an educational level of undergraduate diploma and above. It will raise awareness among professionals about new and innovative technologies geared towards achieving near-zero energy emissions buildings. It will highlight issues and opportunities starting from quarrying to the supply chain and to waste generation. In the end, through a multi-decade investment, the aim is to improve the quality of our homes, commercial and public buildings, while better safeguarding our environment. The course will discuss climate change and sustainability in depth, design principles aimed at sustainability, energy systems, innovative technologies, legal framework, standards, and finally, the students will take a look at the building assessment tools available, government grants, and the best renovation package. Standardizing the building industry, giving workers the needed skills and gearing the industry towards sustainability are surely no mean feats. The Building Industry Consultative Council is however committed to supporting the long-term renovation strategy 2050, and with more than 5,000 safety cards already issued, the long and exciting journey is well underway.